The Congress party has proposed, and the India Alliance party that met at Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress President's house this evening, has now proposed the name of Rahul Gandhi as the leader of opposition. Let's listen in to K.C. Venugopal, who just came out from that meeting being held in Mallikarjun Kharge's residence and made this announcement. Let's listen in.
Honorable CPP Chairperson wrote a letter to the pro-time Speaker Bhartwari Mahtab informing the decision of appointment of Rahul Gandhi as the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Other office bearers will be decided later.
Tomorrow we'll decide.
Which names are Rahul ji?
Oh yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Rahul ji, yes.
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining this debate with the others is Dr. Akashdeep Muni, supporting the Aam Aadmi Party also. But Tehseen Poonawalla, congratulations. You've been rooting for Rahul Gandhi as LOP. What's going to change?
I think it is good for the country because in the last two Lok Sabhas, the 17th and 16th, we didn't have an LOP. I also think it's good for Rahulji. I personally believe he should have been a cabinet minister in UPA too. So I also think it's good, and it's good for the opposition because they'll have a voice in Lok Sabha to raise issues against the present government. And I hope we can see a good debate between Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah ji, and Rahul Gandhi ji and Akhilesh Yadav ji. I do hope that.
Well, he had a lot of time in the last few years.
Yes, but LOP is a constitutional post, and you know with LOP
and a cabinet
rank. And what happens with LOPs, the stature, you can intervene in debates. The speaker will then have to listen to you. So it's a good step that Rahulji and the opposition has taken. And now that they have the numbers, I think it's good for democracy having an LOP. I wish the BJP would have given an LOP in the last two Lok Sabhas. They didn't, but now that they can't deny it, I think it's a great step.
Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, rocky days for the BJP and the NDA Sarkar coming up.
It's not the question of. One thing I would like to tell Tehseen ji, there are certain statutory constitutional provisions. Like for becoming Prime Minister, you have to have more than 50% MPs. It cannot be that I am the single largest party, so I can be the Prime Minister. In the same manner, you have to have 10% plus MPs for the position of the leader of the opposition.
No, sir,
and I'm already quoted on the 75th anniversary of the Parliament.
Sorry, I'm interrupting. It's not true, sir.
75th anniversary of the Parliament. Shri Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji was staged on the stage, on the dais, exactly in the same position as leader of the opposition. We have given him full respect. And you know, there is a tradition that the one committee is to be chaired by leader of the opposition. That is PAC, Public Account Committee. Who are the chairman of the PAC? Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji. So we have given it properly. There is no question about it. But I congratulate you कि Rahul Gandhi ji, third attempt में थर्ड डिवीजन से ही सही राहुल पास हो गया. So now I think it is congratulations to you, but this also brings up certain responsibilities. Now he will have to chair certain committees. Now he will have to be present in the parliament. Now he will have to respond. Now it will be not, he will be having a cabinet minister rank for the first time, like his mother was having. But now his travels and other things will have to be more cautious and more in regulation than it was previous. So I congratulate you and your party, and we hope that now Rahul Gandhi will start behaving more
and we hope you don't
responsibility
on him.
के साथ. At least on 25th of June, they will not put. You were very much agitated, but sir, on 25th of June, at least Congress should not try to put forth the constitution.
Sir, promise
well, let me get in. Manikam
Tagore,
Tagore, member of parliament of the Congress party, joins me on the phone line. Congratulations, Mr. Manikam Tagore. The Congress party gets its leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, finally agreeing to be the leader of opposition. Sudhanshu Trivedi ji congratulates you, but says it's a tough job.
Yeah, we know the congratulations from our BJP friends. They are all We all know that their sleeps will be disturbed from today. And Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji has been a leader who has led 2 yatras, who has been with the people, and it is his 5th term in Parliament, and he is going to take over the leadership role in the opposition. Is a welcome decision by the party. And the role which he is going to take over as the leader of opposition, the Congress party as well as the India Alliance, is going to be an important role, as we are going to go. We are facing a minority BJP government here with an alliance partner support. They are able to run a government. It's a minority BJP which has reduced from 60 seats they are lost in the previous assembly in Parliament, 17th to 18th Lok Sabha. And they are a minority government, but with the support of the alliance partners, they are running this government. We know that there is no morality left in this leadership of this government. Therefore,
okay. All right. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi wants to congratulate you. Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please go ahead.
I have already congratulated that he should assume the responsibility with more sincerity and with more maturity. But incidentally, I recollect what Ashutosh Verma ji was saying. When Modi ji was elected, I want to make it very clear, BJP parliamentary members were all present, and I was also there, because being a Rajya Sabha member, when he is also elected the leader of the parliamentary party also, so Rajya Sabha members were also involved. So we have signed it, in which Modi ji became the leader of the house. But I would like to ask Ashutosh Verma ji, Rahul Gandhi has become leader of the opposition. In which meeting and how many Samajwadi Party MPs were present? Because the announcement he just made, whatever MPs were there, Aam Aadmi Party MPs were there, and how it was decided, or it was decided by Congress and you have to fall in line. And up till now, we are not having any information whether the Congress party has done any parliamentary party meeting or not, which Tehseen can tell. But at least Ashutosh ji and our other learned friends from Aam Aadmi Party should tell and confirm that how many MPs were present and how many MPs have proposed.
Ashutosh
in our
Verma.
side, all NDA were present, and everybody proposed the Modi ji's name for Prime Ministership.
Ashutosh Verma ji, please respond.
देखिए रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन. मैंने पहले कहा कि आधा सच बहुत खतरनाक होता है. सुधांशु जी, ये परंपरा
आप बार कह रहे, मैं सिर्फ 1 मिनट के लिए इंटरप्ट करूंगी. मैं आधा सच नहीं दिखा रही. सारे वीडियो पिक्चर्स, कौन कौन बैठा है, सब चल रहा है टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर. आप अपने घर का भी, अपने सामने का भी टेलीविजन स्क्रीन चला लीजिए, आपको दिख जाएगा. कोई आधा सच नहीं. हम बिल्कुल कंजूसी नहीं करते, पूरा सच दिखाते हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं सुधांशु जी को कोट कर रहा था. तो सुधांशु जी, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की परंपरा रही है, आप तो पुराने मेंबर रहे हैं, कि हर समय चुनाव के बाद भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पार्लियामेंट्री बैठक होती है, उसका एक नेता चुना जाता है, उसके बाद जनतांत्रिक गठबंधन के एनडीए का नेता चुना जाता है. लेकिन इस बार ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया गया? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं डर था कि जो मोदी की गारंटी लेके आया था, जो अहंकार उनके अंदर था, भारतीय जनता पार्टी वहां से बैकफुट पे आ गई. इस देश के 96, पहली बार 96 एमपी, सिटिंग एमपी हार गए भारतीय जनता पार्टी के, और 20 मिनिस्टर्स हार गए. और उसके बाद भी आप जीत गए. उसके बाद भी आप जीत गए. किसके दम पे? टीडीपी विजन के और जेडीयू के दम पे. जरा अपना आप इंट्रोवर्शन कीजिए. ये कौन पार्टीज हैं जो कुछ ही महीनों पहले आपको लगातार गालियां दे रही थी, आप उनको गालियां दे रहे थे, और दोनों ही इस बात पे मशहूर हैं कि कभी भी यू टर्न ले सकते हैं. आपको ही पता है कि ये बैसाखी भी नहीं है, ये हल्की सी पगडंडी रह गई है. तो वो हम मुझे मत बताइए कि जो सही नहीं है. आपने लिया, ठीक है. अब बात आती है कि क्या समाजवादी पार्टी ने किया. तो आपके तथ्य को ही को मैं काट रहा हूं. अगर आपके वहां इस तरीके से हो सकता है, तो इंडिया गठबंधन में तो सारे नेता मौजूद हैं और मीटिंग चल रही है, वहीं एलओपी चुना गया है. तो आप या तो आप गलत हैं और या आपके तथ्य गलत हैं. ये आप तय कर लीजिए आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं.
लेकिन सुधांशु जी, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि किसने चुना कि वो दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द इंडिया अलायंस. इफ दे फाइट, व्हाट दे डू इज देयर प्रॉब्लम. My question to you, Sudhanshu ji, is that Rahul Gandhi will be sitting in the panel meeting to choose. No, Rahul Gandhi will be sitting as leader of opposition on the panel to
Navika ji.
choose CBI director, election commissioners. Problem is, आप क्या करेंगे?
One thing. First thing, the constitutional provision is not that the party's chiefs will sit together and decide who is the. Constitutional provision is all member of parliament should be present. Like in our meeting, every parliament member was present. First, the Modi ji's name was put up by Rajnath Singh ji, then Nitin Gadkari ji, Chandrababu Naidu ji, Nitish Kumar ji. All leaders were present and everybody supported. Can Mr. Ashutosh Sharma tell that who proposed or who seconded the name on the behalf of Samajwadi Party? Can Mr. Akashdeep Muni tell me that who seconded the name on the behalf of the Aam Aadmi Party or Samajwadi Party? I don't think. And Tehseen Poonawalla ji can tell that who has proposed the name, who has seconded the name, and from there so many India alliances, from which party, TMC, etc., how many have proposed. So sir, अब ये बात कितना भी आप कहें कि आप जितना भी छुपाना चाहें, लाख छुपाओ छुप न सकेगा राज हो कितना गहरा, और दिल की बात बता देता है असली नकली चेहरा.
पर आपने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी, will the meetings of the panels to decide CBI chief as well as election commissioners be easy meetings for the NDA Sarkar going forward?
Yes. Definitely. I hope and I wish that Rahul Gandhi ji should and will maintain that decorum of the meetings, but this will also give an first-hand exposure to the others, like CGI will also be present. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे पहले कभी उनकी फेस टू फेस मीटिंग हुई होगी, तो जो भी CGI होंगे वो भी देखेंगे, पर्सनली बातचीत होती है. And one thing, I am also having an experience because in the Parliamentary Standing Committee of Defence, Rahul Gandhi ji is a member and I am also the member. So I have seen several times that how he acts, how he reacts. But I think that in those meetings he will have to react more patiently, more maturely. You remember once it happens that he walked out of the committee meeting. So at the time the chairman has said something, that forget about that. But what I think that he puts up certain questions, whether it would have been provided to him, certain good questions in the committee meeting, but the behavior needs to be more mature and more gracious when you will be sitting in those type of meetings with the Chief Justice of India and Prime Minister will be.
Of course, it's a totally different ball game. It's a totally different ball game, Mr. Komar Reddy. Choppy times for the NDA Sarkar with Rahul Gandhi coming in as LOP. Not going to be smooth sailing?
Not at all, Navika ji. In fact, I feel very sorry for the India Alliance now that Rahul ji had become the leader of opposition. Because Rahul ji has this very rare capability of, vanishing suddenly. I don't know whether he wears a Mr. India watch and vanishes all of a sudden. As per one data between 2015 and 19, Rahul ji had vanished 247 times. That is around 62 times per year. I think now the India Alliance should have a special search team with GPS gadgets and all to locate Rahul ji whenever he vanishes. He might vanish in the middle of a parliament session and the India Alliance will be left with no leader. So I feel very sorry for the India Alliance. So get some good GPS gadgets and search teams ready because Rahul ji has this very unique capability.
Akashdeep Muni, you think Rahul Gandhi will be present more than he has been in the recent past, and will there be more hugs with Prime Minister Modi and more winks coming up in Parliament? थोड़ा प्यार मोहब्बत की दुकान कुछ चलेगी?
Navika ji, the NDA government is so on back foot that in terms of going by the convention and giving the deputy speaker position to the opposition, they didn't do. While Charanjit Singh Atwal and Karya Munda of Bharatiya Janata Party and Akali Dal were named deputy speaker in the terms of Congress in 2004 and 2009. Interestingly, when Rahul Gandhi becomes the leader of opposition, they have to be, I think, my wishes to them, and they should be afraid because now when he will be chairing such important committee meetings, he will be putting strongly the opposition points across. And now with Bharatiya Janata Party is on 240 and not on 272. They have to be
Okay.
very, very.
Anand
and the
Ranganathan,
TDP and
I'm
JK
coming
will
to you. Anand Ranganathan, do you think Rahul Gandhi has LOP? Advantage which side? Disadvantage which side?
Navika, whether he is leader of opposition or he is opposition of leader remains to be seen. But the fact of the matter is कि दो तीन चीजें उनको करनी पड़ेंगी. एक तो he must stop lying so much. अब थोड़ा सा बड़प्पन दिखाएं और इतना जो इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल का झूठ बोला है वो झूठ बोलना बंद करें. एंड एज फार एज अ लॉट ऑफ अदर पीपल हु आर सेइंग कि अरे भाई ये सरकार एनडीए एक साल में गिरने वाली है. अरे भाई ऐसा ना कि एक साल में नया लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन चूज करना पड़ जाए. नेशनल हेराल्ड केस की हियरिंग आने वाली है और गुजरात में जो कन्विक्शन है उसकी हियरिंग आने वाली है. सो तहसीन थोड़ा सा ध्यान से मेरे भाई.
Tehseen?
Yeah. Just two things that Sudhanshu ji asked. I just WhatsApped Rahul ji's office. The CWC passed a unanimous resolution in Rahul Gandhi being LOP. This was later taken up at Kharge ji's house right now. The meeting of all India bloc leaders, floor leaders were present, and the letter that is now going to go to the honourable to the government,
Pro tem
to the
Speaker.
pro tem speaker, will be signed by all floor leaders of the India Alliance. I am putting this on record.
Well, exciting times coming up in Parliament. I don't know how much business will be done, how the lot of Indian citizens going to improve, but as far as battles in Parliament are concerned, well, it doesn't get bigger than this. It's almost like the remake of Ben-Hur coming up in Parliament. Modern version. Well, we'll wait and watch for that. Fireworks and lots of interesting stuff for us reporters. We'll have lots of news coming up for you, ladies and gentlemen. As always, stay tuned to Times Now because we'll keep you ahead. And thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night and stay safe.